I'm Joe Wisniewski. I'm a tooling specialist for PF Markey. I like working with Fullerton because they really provide you with solutions and not just a high-quality tool. They're going to give you real attention to details. What's the specifics of the application? And they're going to tell you how to run it, not just P's and P's, but the best process and the best way to apply that said tool. I recommend Fullerton over other companies because of their attention to details, whether it's the hone on a tool or making sure you get your tool when they promise you your tools. It's really saying, doing what you say you're going to do, and Fullerton does an excellent job of that. My clients love Fullerton Tool. I've had zero complaints. Everyone's very happy with the performance, the value, and the support that they receive consistently through the process.